How to contact and chat with a seller on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to contact a seller on eBay easy and fast. So first thing, go to eBay app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now choose the product that the seller is selling. For example, I'm gonna choose this laptop right here. Click on the product and now go down until you find about this seller option, and you will find the contact seller right here. Click on it and now you can send a message right here and click send here in the top corner, and the message will be sent successfully. You can also change the subject of the message. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.